Now in this video, we'll discuss equation of a chord with given midpoint and equation of diameter of a parabola. So suppose we have any parabola which is s equals to 0, and say in this case it is y square minus 4ax equals 0. Now suppose you have any chord of this parabola whose midpoint is, say, x1, y1. Now with the given equation and with given midpoint of chord, we can write equation of this chord. So equation of chord with a given midpoint, say x1, y1, is given by t equals s1. So in previous videos, we have already discussed how to find t equals to 0 and how to write s1. So from this equation, if we'll write t, we'll write this t as y1 minus 2ax minus 2ax1. And what is s1? s1 is y1 square minus 4ax1. So equation of chord whose midpoint is x1, y1 is given by this equation, which is t equals s1. So say for example, suppose we have to write equation of chord of parabola y square minus 8x equals to 0, whose midpoint is, say, 2, 3. So we know that this equation is given by t equals s1. So we can write this equation as 3y minus 8 x plus 2 upon 2, and this is y square, which is 9 minus 16. So it will be 3y minus 4x minus 8, and this is minus 7. So this equation will be 4x minus 3y and then plus 1 equals to 0. So the chord of parabola y square equals 8x, whose midpoint is 2, 3, is given by 4x minus 3y plus 1 equals 0. Now we'll discuss equation of diameter of a parabola. Suppose we have a parabola which is, say, y square equals 4ax. So let us draw this parabola. Now if we take a system of parallel chords, and for each chord, if we'll find the midpoint, then locus of midpoint of these parallel chords is called as diameter of a parabola. So basically diameter of a parabola is locus of midpoint of a system of parallel chords. So suppose we have a system of parallel chords which is given by y equals mx plus c. Now here m is fixed, that is all these lines, they have same slope, and then this c is variable. And we have to find locus of midpoint of these chords. So since it is a locus problem, first step is we'll identify this point. We'll say, suppose this point is m and it is given by alpha, beta. Now with given midpoint, we know that we can write equation of a chord as t equals s1. So we can write this equation as beta y minus 4a x plus alpha upon 2, and this is beta square minus 4a alpha. So we can write this equation as beta y minus 2ax minus 2a alpha, and this is beta square minus 4a alpha. Now we know that any chord has a slope which is m. So we know that slope of this chord. So what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So it will be minus of minus 2a upon beta. So from here we can write beta as 2a by m. Now we'll replace alpha with x and beta with y. So we'll get this equation as y equals 2a by m. So equation of a diameter of a parabola y square equals 4ax will be y equals 2a by m. So it will be a line which is parallel to axis of parabola and at a distance of 2a by m units from origin.